Yeah, we gotta do maintenance on 2 chainsaws for a guy. Just a fuel filter, air filter, and spark plug. This one's a MS290. That's the new number. They're pretty much the same saw. And this one's a 029 Super. They take the same kit. Stens has this kit here. It doesn't have the 029 listed, but it's the same kit. Got spark plug, air filter, fuel filter. And it's quite dirty. Now I noticed the steel bar, factory bar, doesn't have the little hole in the tip to grease it on either side. It's the replacement Oregon one. It does that little hole right there. And there's be one on the other side too, usually. You can grease them tips. Now I got this adapter here that goes into a regular grease gun. Just put it right in the tip. They also make a grease gun made just for these bars. And I bought a pack of files from Stens. Sharpen the change for him. We'll get that all done. Okay, you can see when I greased that on both ends, you can see how the grease comes out chain there. I'll take a rag and clean that up, but you want to grease those sprocket tips if you got the holes for it. This saw here was missing the pre-filter right here. It was $6.49 from the steel dealer. Goes on the top right there. And what these do, see, I got the sun on one side, snowflake on the other. Put this in there like that. If you got the snowflake up, that's for winter. That lets warm air go into the carburetor from the engine to help it keep warm in the winter. In summertime, you want it to go the other way. Like that. That blocks off the air from the engine. See, now I got the sun on the upside. I got the filter on this one. I gotta do the fuel filter yet on that one. You gotta do everything on this one. And my other video didn't come out right, so I gotta redo it. Get these fuel filters out of there. I cut off a piece of coat hanger. I'll go down there and try to fish this thing out. Like that. Then you can change it. That's already the new one. I'm not sure what happened on the video. It was just a photo. I think I pushed photo instead of video. That's how you change the fuel filter on it.